Hello. Organizing a digital photos, 數碼嘅相 digital photos. The taking photos used to be 係曾經做，而家唔做，同 be used to 唔同。used to use 係第二類動詞，以前做，而家唔做。used to 作兩句邊。used to be a costly hobby because films 以前影相傳統相機咧就唔係數碼，要菲林即係 film。菲林好貴，所以以前每影一張相，影完仲要曬喎，曬又要俾錢，買菲林又要錢，部相機又鬼咁貴，所以以前啲人唔玩相機，除非你好有錢。但係有完 digital 之後咧，影相平咗好多。Because films were very expensive and people needed to shoot conservatively 傳統地影相即係慳錢啦，唔會立亂影。In order to reserve the limited films for the most important moments， 所以以前曬相。中意玩相嗰啲人會自己曬相，咁啊菲林柯達最出名，但係柯達最尾都 game over， 所以所有傳統嘅 industry 如果唔進步嘅都會 game over。While sharing photos used to mean inviting friends to our homes to look at photo albums, also recording an ongoing incidents with photographs. Photos 係個縮寫 ，photographs 就係佢嘅長寫啦。Was the responsibility of professional journalists.Bystanders, as bystanders 一啲門外漢經過啲人，我哋叫 bystanders. Normally did not carry a camera when they were wandering around. Wandering around 係慢慢行嘅意思。Wandering around. Things have changed tremendously. Tremendously 嘅 ever 大幅地改變，即係變咗好多。Have changed 係 present perfect has have 加 bb. Ever since photo sharing went digital and mobile phones began to have built-in cameras.Instead of counting how many films are left, people nowadays 永遠有 s can fully enjoy 呢個字讀 enjoy their photo shooting spiel without preposition 後邊嘅 without worrying about running out of film or the cost. As even the cheapest memory card can help store over 10,000 photos and not sure about the exposure or focus. 以前要曬相曝光 exposure， 跟住有冇對焦 focus， 唔需要諗啊 auto 啊所有嘢都。No problem, we can shoot as many photos as possible and then select the best one later. It is unnecessary 冇必要 unnecessary to ask our friends to actually meet us to see a photo anymore. Just send it via 即係通過啦 WhatsApp or post it on Facebook。記住 WhatsApp、Facebook 呢牌子 Google、YouTube 大街。They will then instantly 立刻 ever get it.And even comment on it. Comment 要跟 on. The catch is that when it is extremely convenient for us to take photos, we end up shooting too many, which does not only set up the memory of our devices, eat up the memory of the devices, but also make it very difficult, make somebody difficult to do something. Makes it very difficult for somebody to find our desired photos.Searching through thousands of photos taken over the course of 5 years is surely the last thing we would like to do. The last thing 即唔想做嘅嘢。And deleting the junks is another chore 即係問題啦。Because sometimes it is not easy to decide what is rubbish. For this reason， 因為咁樣 many people just ignore the old photos while they keep taking new ones, which has lost the fundamental purpose of photograph. 最重要嘅目的 fundamental purpose. Storage 儲存問題 is another problem. While traditional paper photo have been proven to last for decades if handled or preserved properly. 嗱，傳統嗰啲紙啲相可以留好多年嘅，如果你 preserve 同 handle properly 嘅話。And digital storage media does not offer the same level of performance guarantee. Guarantee 即係保證。It is a known fact.That the photos stored in our phones are far from being safe, are far from 即唔 safe 嘅 as the phones may be damaged or stolen unexpectedly. Some may print out the most important ones, which is costly, while most people just choose to store the digital photos in a hard disk or DVD. 記住 DVD 縮寫大街啊 And the same as the school floppy disk. 以前我哋1.5寸嗰啲 floppy disk 而家冇咗啦。可以問阿爸阿媽咩叫 floppy disk? We don't use anymore.And all storage media may become obsolete. Obsolete 即係被淘汰，過時啦 obsolete, not fashionable. That's why we all risk losing our photos if we solely rely on digital storage. Rely 要跟 on 依賴 ，rely on 着兩句邊個 ？I rely on my parents financially. risk 係一個動詞喺度，冒險，留意 ing，risk losing，risk I risk my exam results if I don't work hard. I risk my academic performance if I don't work hard. Risk 再兩句俾我。呢篇文講到 digital photos 有好有唔好，自己分析。第二段嘅動詞圈晒俾我，希望今日英文會幫你認識世界，加油！